How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can delete mods in any Steam game. So basically, there's two types of mod that you can install or use on your Steam games. The first one is by downloading it outside Steam, which is by using browser. The most or one of the popular websites out there is going to be Nexus Mods that will require you to create the mod folder inside the game files itself. Now, to remove those specific types of modifications, you simply want to delete those mod folders inside the mod folder inside your game files. But if you have installed it inside Steam, which is basically inside the workshop right here, you just want to look for your installed workshop files. Basically, inside the workplace or the workshop category, you just want to look for your files and then click on the subscribe items. In here, you will be able to find all of your installed modifications. So in my case, I have a lot of installed right here. And if you want to remove some of them, you can just basically click on the unsubscribe button and you will be able to uninstall this type of mods. So basically that's two ways on how you can remove mods in any Steam game. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.